What's up, ITB gang? You don't know it's your girl Brittany and your girl
Breathe.
and I'm back with another video. And for you see the title, you don't know what we are gonna do. Don't mind me here because yesterday was my birthday. Yesterday?
Yes, now you're right.
No, day before yesterday
Yes, the 16th.
was my birthday and me take off my wig yesterday. But through my head look bad, me just fling on back the wig now for make the intro. So nobody comment on top of my wig, okay? Let's get right into the video. Alright, so guys, I'm showing you all of what they want. Yeah, so we have to put soup in there because we try get it as equal as possible because
And we have 2 Domino's crushed red pepper.
nobody say me a thief, you know. I mean, not do it right. Alright, you look equal to me now.
Yeah.
So we have them, yeah, for my birthday. So I say, you know what? And they're really spicy, guys. Nobody think, you know, spicy. It's spicy. So one for this one over here.
Whoa. That's it. Smell God, Jesus Christ, that's strong.
And then it don't want to go into something. No one nobody be like, And this are not this are them are real spicy because it even hotter than Pizza Hut own. And then this the pepper, man. Trust me, the pepper. So
Alright.
me a count the rice and more.
What's that?
I come over, so that's about 10.
Okay.
One. Alright. Rihanna, look like I get more water, but me no like the water. Thing. Yeah. Alright, guys. Yeah. Alright, let's go.
Well, if you see my eyes start getting red and watery, that's just a normal thing for me when I eat pepper.
I wonder if me put too much pepper in mine.
So I see my mouth. That's all what to yeah.
Oh my.
Roger.
Yeah, it's too red out.
You know, I'm gonna try to get me, I'll try to get 2 times spicy ramen when me see. When we see them have. Watch. You see who can stand the longest without drink water, a girl a day.
No, what a fairy is it?
Jesus Christ! Sweat. I should have 4 ramen in me. I'll put double pepper.
Watch out.
Lord God, me can't make it with me. Jesus Christ.
Come here, get rid. No, sir.
Wow.
I'm done, y'all. The soup. This was a little bit easy for me.
You don't win your game.
Everything is
Yes.
man.
Yeah, I have to drink it.
Come on. Make me. Is that soup I can drink?
She lose.
Remember some my soup never like
But you should drink some. Jesus Christ.
Guys, well, I'm not lying. It's hot, but it was kind of easy for me.
At first, Jesus Christ.
Look flow there.
At first, oh Jesus Christ.
It's kind of easy. But
At
after
first,
getting down to it, oh God,
at first you need that pepper. But no.
the pepper soaking a system.
And me there try win the girl. And drink soup. I know my mo. And everywhere they tear.
Where's your man bite me? Where's my bite right so? I'm biting. Oh God. Guys, we need to go get a glass of milk.
Me not sit down and suffer. You know, me not sit down and suffer. So look what I'm going to do. Okay guys, you don't know. Me lose because my mouth is burning. So
And she got to drink Glasgow. I'm okay.
cool and you can see the bad man, you know. And she want to play superhero and I want
No,
to drink
I
it.
am not playing no superhero, but good. I'm okay.
So that was just a simple video because I'm not post so long now. So comment down below some video ideas where you want me to do it Bree or where you want me to do by myself. And make me know if you don't want to see a video of me styling for your ear. So bye.